You are fantastic in your work. But what is the use of being super effective in your work, but the other aspects of your life actually falls apart? And there is a great need that people have. People want to be good in what they do. While I was the in-house coach for a big petrochemical company, I really listened to the needs of people. And the needs of senior people is, I want to be good in what I do. Nobody wants to be Alexander the Average. Everybody wants to be Alexander the Great. But what's the use of that you are so great in your work, but your health is falling apart, or your family life is falling apart, or you sort of lose all your important relationships? What's the use of winning the world and losing your soul in the process? And therefore, there is a great need for work-life balance. And work-life balance is not a pie in the sky. Work-life balance is something special. It is not a static wheel where you can actually just focus on a few things and exercise a bit and do this. It is purposefully chasing great goals, but having your life in balance to enhance the process to get there. So if that is the problem, what is the solution? In the past, people just said, just leave it to people and they will sort it out. They don't. And that is why people fall along the wayside. So what is the solution? The better solution, which I worked out with different companies, and I want to invite you to, is to have one day that you take yourself and all your colleagues, be it on the Exco team, be it in a production team, a sales team, whichever team you work in. Bring people and take one day off in a year, every year, and get people to get an integrated life plan. You know, in an integrated life plan, you can sit and then when you are at work, then you know I've got a plan with the other aspects of my life. And when you are at home, then you know work is also part of that life plan and it is sorted so I can focus at home. So you're invited. Send 10 people, the table of 10, 20, 15, you can send 100 people. Come and attend one day of focused work-life balance, that you walk away with a work-life plan, and then you're a man and a woman with a plan, and you know my life is sorted, and I do not have a schizophrenic existence of work on this side and life on that side, but this is an integrated life, that I can have full productivity, full joy in all aspects of life, that I'm not only just super effective, but I'm also have a balanced life, effective in every aspect of my life. You're invited. Enroll, follow the links. See you there.